Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can curl your hair without using any hair straightener or curler or any product on your hair. You just simply need to use some hair bands and that's it. So I really like curly hair. A lot of you also might want to curl your hair but you don't want to damage your hair, and same is the case with me. So I use this technique. You can also use this. Watch this video till the end and do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.
Here I am using this hair serum on my wet hair as I have really frizzy hair. First you need to divide your hair into two sections and then divide both the sections into three parts. Here I am securing the first part with a hair clip, then the second part with a rubber band. Now on the third part you have to start making braids. Make sure that you have slightly wet hair for better result. Also try to make the braids as tight as you can, it will make them last longer. Now similarly you have to make the second braid. And at last start making the third one. After making these three braids, you have to gather them together and make a cute little bun and secure it with a rubber band. Similarly, you need to make three other braids on the other section of your hair and make a similar bun.
So that was it, and now you have to keep these braids for like 4 to 5 hours, or you can keep it overnight and then you can open them early in the morning. Hi guys, so I'm back and I don't know how it will look like, but I'm a bit nervous plus I'm very excited. So it's time for the result. I'm actually really impressed by the result.
I did not expect this, but it looks really nice. I hope that it's visible because to me it's very much visible. It's pretty visible.
So I hope that this video was useful for you, and if you like this video then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.